Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Chris TV, train operator of OFW, Saudi Arabia. What's up everyone? Thanks for watching my small video, and I hope you enjoy and happy my video. Sometimes I'm busy the work, and I will sharing my job for this side, but not allowed because safety, too much strict for take a video, but me, I will try my best to sharing my knowledge and the job. Look at guys, this is my site now. I will turn around my cell phone. Thank you so much, and the other subscriber my small channel. I hope you enjoy watching my video. I will try upload more videos, and I hope you're happy. If you do not like my video, okay, no problem. Sometimes my video is no good. My English is na, but I will trying to take other video. I hope na enjoy watching. Shukran habibi.